On the 82nd birthday of Dr. Mughali, I thought this is the right time to bring to our HIM professional friends the vital secrets of Dr. Mughali, father of medical records of India and the Middle East. Dr. Mughali started work from 1st January 1959 for HIM in Nilofer Hospital, Hyderabad. Later, he joined the JIPMER Pondicherry on 29th March 1966 as medical record officer, worked up to 1980. During his service, he was deputed to Government of Afghanistan from 1973 to 1976. He worked in the Middle East, Gulf countries from 1981 to 2008. During this period, besides India, he served 8 overseas countries as a World Health Organization consultant and as senior consultant and advisor of HIM to the Ministries of Health. When I curiously read many times, Dr. Mughali's Mirror book traces the successful and fulfilling professional journey of Dr. Mughali from his humble beginnings in 1959 as a high school pass hospital record clerk earning about 16 US dollars to becoming a world-renowned medical record expert whose last drawn monthly salary was 8,800 US dollars. On the 82nd birthday of Dr. Mughali, I'd like to take the oath of 10 auspicious commandments for HIM professionals by Dr. Mughali. In the name of my beloved parents, teachers, God made them as my witness that I, Hari Prasad, take oath to fulfill my obligation to serve the sick and injured with full devotion by executing Dr. Mughali's 10 auspicious commandments throughout my professional life. I'll acquaint with the mandatory needs of healthcare organizations, vision, mission, goals, and government laws to comply with. I will uphold the dignity of the organization, be loyal, neutral, follow ethical guidelines, and uphold the protection, privacy, and confidentiality of patient information. I will serve to establish and run a well-organized and efficiently managed HIM department to provide needs of the healthcare organization, legal, insurance, and government. I will participate actively in the policy-making meetings of the organization. I will remain a member of HIM Society and take part and present papers in professional workshops and conferences. I will innovate by conducting research on the latest knowledge and technology to enhance the efficiency of the healthcare providers to deliver swift, safe, quality, and cost-contained care. I will contribute by imparting education and training to a HIM professional for high standards of performance. Provide consultancy to needy units within and outside the organizations. I will inspire healthcare providers to achieve comprehensive documentation and prevent medical errors, duplication of efforts, and expenses. I will outshine by concurrently analyzing data and classifying the disease to identify and disease surpass, will notify to the public health officials to avert an epidemic or pandemic like COVID-19. I'll unify the HIM system by executing one patient, one record, and one number from birth to death. Try to extend to all the healthcare organizations within and outside the nation for swift care in any part of the globe. I will succeed clarifying that patient is master and medical record is the mirror, reflects what is done to the patient, not recorded means not done. People forget, record remembers. I will ensure that healthcare providers revolve around the patient being the nucleus to succeed in hospital vision, mission, and goals. Once again, I want to thank you for the opportunity to take this oath on his 82nd birthday of Dr. G.D. Mughali for providing the auspicious 10 commandments for HIM professionals and looking forward to work more with you, sir, in future. May God give you health and wealth. Thanking you, sir. This is Hariprasad, Research Fellow Medical Records, working for Namaste Portal from National Center of Indian Medical Heritage, Hyderabad. Thank you.